we have done, the last thing has to be in 1 by $7. So absolute is also there. Absolute x2 minus x1 to the power of cube plus absolute y2 minus 1 to the power of whatever is the norm to the power of, again in brackets, 1 by that cube. So based on this Minkowski distance formula, we have corrected the calculated the distance, then we sorted the distance, and then we have found the values. Okay, so this is your Minkowski distance calculation. This is your Minkowski distance calculation, wherein, be careful, Minkowski 1 is equal to Manhattan distance, P is equal to 1 is equal to Manhattan distance, and P is equal to 2 is refers to Euclidean distance. You always have to give more than 2. Don't give 1 or 2 in Minkowski, because it will give you the other result only. So Minkowski is a distance methodology. The formula is this. This is the formula which we have implemented. Okay. Now let us copy the data, only the height and weight data and the t-shirt size. Only the height, weight and t-shirt size. Copy the data into a new Excel sheet. Copy the data of height and weight. We will copy the data of height and weight into new sheet. Now here we are going to use normalization. We are going to use normalization or min-max scalar, or what we call it as min-max scalar for scaling the data. For scaling the data, we will be using min-max scalar or normalization. Min-max scalar or normalization. Okay, all of you copy the data into your new sheet. So again, we have to predict the height and weight of the person based on using the height and weight of the person. We need to predict the t-shirt size. So I will randomly change. I will make it as 180/58 height and let us say 61 weight. I will make it 158 weight and 61 height 158, weight is 61 for us to do it. Okay. So all of you got the data to this format? Now we need to get the minimum of the range. We need to get the maximum of the range. We need to get the minimum of the range, and we also need to get the maximum of the range, because the formula is x minus min of x divided by max of x minus min of x. The formula for min-max scalar or normalization is x minus min of x divided by max minus min of x. So this is the formula we are going to implement. So the minimum is equal to min of the range. The minimum of the range is 58. I will drag the formula to the left side. The minimum is 158. Is equal to max of the range is this, close bracket, enter, and drag it to the right. So 170 is the maximum height, 68 is the maximum weight. 170 is the maximum height, okay, all of you got this? Now height underscore norm, height underscore normalization is equal to, open bracket, x minus x min. X min has to be fixed by pressing F4 divided by open bracket x max. X max is again to be fixed by pressing F4 minus x minus min, again fix it by pressing F4. X minus x min divided by x max by x min is your normalization formula, is equal to x minus open x min. X min needs to be fixed with F4 absolute cell reference divided by x max, also has to be fixed by pressing F4 minus x max, also has to be fixed by pressing F4. So you get 0.1667, and if you drag it down, you get the values like this. X minus x min divided by x max by x min. Okay. Similarly, weight norm. We will calculate weight norm is equal to open bracket weight minus min of weight, fix it by pressing F4 divided by open bracket max, fix it by pressing F4 minus min, fix it by pressing F4, close bracket. X minus x min divided by x max minus x min. The mins and the max have to be fixed by pressing F4 absolute cell referencing so that they should not be moved, and then double click and you can click the formula to the down. For our understanding, we will make it as 2 decimals, or we will make it as 2 decimal or 3 decimal to understand our calculation. So we got the norm. Similarly, you have to calculate the normalization for the predicted value also. X minus din divided by x max minus x min. Oh, we got 0. So we will make height as 160 so that we don't get the 0. I will make height as 160 so that we don't get the 0. 61 minus minimum divided by 68 minus 58. So we got 0.3. We will make it to 2 decimals. Or 3 decimal. Okay. So x max minus x min, all of you got it right? Now we will calculate the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is equal to SQRT open 2 brackets 0.167 minus 0.167 to the power of 2 plus open bracket 0.30 minus this to the power of 2 close bracket. Now we have to fix the x2 and y2 which are in I and j columns. We will fix the values. Press enter and then we will drag the formula down. We will make it as 3 decimal. To understand, we will make it as 3 or 4 decimal, save it. And then the procedure, first sort the smallest to largest, expand the sort, you got this. Now a person with a height of 160 and 61, if k is equal to 3, his size, his t-shirt size is what? Medium. His t-shirt is medium. If it is k is equal to 5, also medium. It is medium size. So the final prediction of the person whose is medium. Euclidean distance median. classify underscore scale underscore Minkowski. Classify underscore scale underscore Manhattan. Classify underscore scale underscore Euclidean. Okay, so Euclidean distance classification we have done. Okay, so we will also see the Minkowski and Manhattan, or you are familiar with the process. Minkowski we will do. That will automatically clarify all your doubts. So I will copy this values till norm, Control C, add a sheet, paste special as values and number formatting. Always when there are formulas involved, paste it as values and number formatting. And then we will also take the new observation prediction, Control C, and paste it here, Control V, and we will remove the values. Oh, normalization values are same, right? Normalization values will not change. So, Minkowski distance we will use. For Minkowski distance, we will add one more cell. Sorry. So, P or Q is equal to 3. Okay. So, is equal to open two brackets ABS, right? Or open ABS open bracket 0.167 minus 0.167 to the power of 3. This would be fixed, plus ABS of this by pressing F4 minus this to the power of 3, close bracket, open bracket, 1 divided by 3 F plus F4. So, wherever we have 3, we will select the cell. Wherever we have the 3, we will select the cell and we will fix it. Right? Is this correct? Or we have made some mistake somewhere. Absolutes and 2 brackets. Okay. Correction is there. This has to be 1 bracket here and 1 bracket here. This has to be 1 bracket here and 1 bracket here. Press enter. Oh, we got the same answer, huh? Hey, is this formula correct or did I make any mistake somewhere? Just check. This is the problem. Is equal to, it's not into, it's the power of. So that's what I made some mistake somewhere. Now it is correct. Right, to the power of, right? So you got the wrong values. So absolute, and then you select the y2 minus y1 to the power of q plus x2 absolute x2 minus x1 to the power of cube to the power of 1 by cube. So we got the Minkowski distance. So let me sort and filter smallest to largest, expand sort. Sort and smallest to largest, expand sort. Okay. Now again, k is equal to 3, it's medium. K is equal to 5 is again medium. No change at all. So this is classify underscore norm underscore Minkowski. Classify underscore norm underscore Minkowski. Okay. All right, all of you got this? Now let us look at the regression problem. Like I told you, this can be used for classification as well as regression. Here we have to price the house price index using the age and the loan. Okay, so we will scale the data. First we will calculate the average, then we will calculate the standard deviation. We will calculate the standard deviation is equal to average, open bracket, the loan amount, and then is equal to average, you can drag the formula. Why to calculate again? You can drag it to the left. Similarly, is equal to STDEV, you can take the values and you can drag it to the right. Average of age and standard deviation of age, loan of average of loan and standard deviation of loan. Okay, so we need to scale. Age underscore scale, loan underscore scale, age underscore scale, loan underscore scale is equal to open bracket x minus mean, fix the mean by pressing F4, divided by standard deviation. Again press F4. X minus mean divided by standard deviation. So you can double click. Similarly, is equal to open bracket loan amount minus average of loan, the average needs to be fixed, divided by standard deviation, the standard deviation need to be fixed. X minus mean divided by standard deviation, and you double click the formula. You double click the formula. All right. Now give one column gap and then the predicted values, right? Predicted or test data. Test data, age is 38 and the loan amount he is seeking is 90,000. You have to price HPI, house price index. What will be his house price index? Okay, now we need to scale this also, right? Scale these values also is equal to open bracket X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Similarly, is equal to open bracket Y minus mean divided by standard deviation. We have scaled the data. We have scaled the data. Now, Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is equal to SQRT, open two brackets, fix the y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus open bracket x2 minus x1 to the power of 2 close bracket, and double click. You got the Euclidean distances. Save it. Then we will sort the Euclidean distance. Go to Home tab, sort and filter, smallest to largest, expand the sort. You got it. So if k is equal to 3, the house price index, you can see in the bottom the average. You can see here in Excel sheet, you will get in the bottom the average. All of you can see in the bottom, you will see the average 203.67. 203.67. If k is equal to 5, the average is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 221.2. 221.2. Using average. This is K-NN regression, assuming k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 5. Standard scaling also we have implemented. So if k is equal to 3, k is equal to 5, this is the average house price index. This is the HPI or house price index of the person based on the k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 5. So this is regression underscore scale underscore Euclidean. Okay, all of you got the formula for Euclidean distance? Okay. Now for the same calculation, we can do Minkowski. So open a new sheet, copy the data till scaling, Control C, and paste special values and number formatting. Paste special values and number formatting. And also copy paste the test data, Control C. Here you can paste it as home, paste special values and number formatting. Now we will calculate the Minkowski distance. So for Minkowski distance, we will take P or Q is equal to 3. So is equal to open bracket ABS open 2 brackets this minus this to the power of 3 close bracket plus open bracket ABS plus ABS open 2 brackets this minus this to the power of 3 close bracket to the power of open bracket 1 divided by 3. So we will incorporate wherever there is 3 with the cell value and fix it. Yeah, we got 0.4374177, right? We got 0.4374117, and I will click it down. Sorry, again a rookie mistake. I fixed the ones, but I didn't fix the our x2s and y2s. Right? So F4 and F4. Then double click. Control yes. Now sort and filter smallest to largest, expand sort, Control S. If k is equal to 3, it is 203.67. If k is equal to 5, it is 221.2. No change. Both the processes gave us the same values. If you take 4, will it change? No, not much of a change. So regress underscore scale underscore Minkowski. Regress underscore scale underscore Minkowski. All right. You want to run the normalization also on this data? Normalize. So age, loan and house price index, copy them, Control C, paste them, Control V, zoom the view to 200%. And then we will also take the test data, Control C, values and number formatting. Okay, for this we will calculate simply Euclidean distance. That should be enough, right? We have to insert another column. Okay. So the minimum and the maximum. You have to find the min and the max is equal to min of these values, and you drag the formula to the left side, is equal to max of the values and drag it down to the left side. Control S, save it. And then you calculate the norm. Age underscore norm is equal to open bracket x minus x min, fix it, divided by x max minus x min, close, enter, and then you can drag it down. Similarly, loan underscore norm is equal to open bracket x minus x min, fix it, divided by x max fn f4 minus x min fn f4. So we will get the normalized values. Similarly, is equal to open bracket this minus x min divided by open bracket x max minus x min. Similarly, is equal to open bracket x minus x min, sorry, I am using wrong values, this x minus x min divided by x max minus x min. So you got 0.21. Is it correct? Yeah, B. Now the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is equal to SQRT open two brackets x2 fix it minus x1 to the power of 2 plus open bracket y2 fix it minus y1 to the power of 2. Press enter, and is the formula correct? Yes. Sort and filter, smallest to largest, expand sort, k is equal to 3. Oh, there is a change here. It is 234.33. K is equal to 5. 195.4. 195.4. So this is your normalized function. Regress underscore norm underscore Euclidean. So this is your Euclidean distance function. So this we are using k nearest neighbors algorithm prediction using k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 5. This is normalization or min-max scaling. This is normalization or min-max scaling. This is the